Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, this is Karen Deneen back with another video. And if you watched my last video, I informed you that I was going to show you how to cover books with fabric. So if you're interested in seeing how you can cover books with fabric, then stay tuned. So the items that you're going to need for this project would be any books of your choice. You can get these at the Dollar Tree. They can be books that you no longer read or books that you purchase at a garage sale. Also, you're going to need some fabric. I purchased these swatches from Walmart. They were 92 cents a piece. And I got some colors that would go perfect with Easter decor. I'm not going to use these today. I just wanted to show you a couple of swatches that you can easily use for Easter decor. Of course, you know my favorite print is animal print. So I have leopard print and houndstooth. And these are the two fabrics that I'm going to use today. Also, you're going to need some Mod Podge, some foam brushes, and of course, a pair of scissors. So let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is measure the fabric around the book with the book closed. You're going to place the book on top of the fabric and then fold it over the book. Then you want to trim around the edge of the book, leaving about a ½ inch all the way around so that you can wrap that fabric around the inside of the book. Okay, now once the fabric has been cut, the next thing you want to do is use your brush and your Mod Podge to apply to the face of the book. You want to make sure that you apply enough glue so that the fabric will stick to the book. And then you want to spread out any creases. You want to rub those out to make sure that it's smooth. Next, you want to flip the book over on the back side and apply glue just as you did on the front. You also want to place glue on the bind of the book as well, so on the back side. And again, you want to spread your hands over the book, brushing out any creases in the fabric. And so far, that's what we have. Okay. And next, you're going to open the book. And you're going to fold your material, but you're going to cut slits where the book opens. So you're going to cut a slit here and here. And I'll show you what you'll do next. Cutting slits in the fabric gives you the ability to fold the fabric over on the inside. Next, you want to apply some Mod Podge to the inside of the book, just a little. These brushes you can get from Hobby Lobby, Walmart, Michaels. They're really inexpensive, and this is really an inexpensive project. So then you fold the fabric over. And you want to pull it as tight as you can because you want it to be a perfect fit on the book. Then you want to take Mod Podge and you want to brush it over the fabric inside the book just so that it stays secured to the book. And don't worry about the fabric fraying because what I'm going to do is the first page of the book, I'm going to glue it. That way when you open your book, the inside would be perfect. If you don't mind how the fabric looks on the inside of the book, this is a step that you can skip. For me, I like my books to look perfect, whether you open them or close them. So I fold back the first page on the front and back side so it'll have that uniform look. So while that side is drying, I'm going to slit the other side of the binder. And we're going to do the same thing on the back side of this book. The idea behind this is that you want the book to look as if it was purchased this way. And once again, if you don't care how the inside of the book looks, you can stop right here. This last page, and I'm going to glue it to the back of the book. So next I'm going to cut this down a little shorter and then tuck it down in the bind of the book. You want to apply just a little Mod Podge. It won't take much. And just push it down into the book. Again, you want the book to look like it was purchased this way. Like so. And then I'm going to do the other side. Regardless of what your decor style is, you can use these for any accent decor piece in your home, whether it's on a bookshelf or an entry table or a coffee table. You know, books are a great accent to your home decor, so you can use these for any area in your home. And voila, there you have it, a covered book. And again, you can use any fabric. You can place these in any area of your home, just as I did on my cube. You can put this on a bookshelf, on your mantle, your entry table. There's no limits to what you can do with these. I hope that you found this helpful. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you haven't already subscribed, then what are you waiting on? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And also hit the notification bell so you'll know the next time that I upload a video. So until next time, guys. Bye-bye.